Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today let's take a look at the 6th generation Toyota 4Runner. This is a TRD Sport Premium. It's finished off in cutting edge and the MSRP is just over $63,000. Now I just finished doing the full detailed review, so if you'd like to see the options that are on this model in greater details, take a look at that separate full review. Today, let's just take a look at the exterior as well as the interior and get this rugged SUV out on the road. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a huge thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our daily uploads. Hey everyone, so today's video is brought to you by LastFit. We will be installing a set of all-weather floor mats for this Toyota. You can, of course, get these for other Toyota models as well. Take a look at the link down in the description, where you can also use our promo code to save money on a full set. Depending on the model that you're going with, you can get front, second row seating, and cargo, along with even third row seating as well. The all-weather floor mats are going to give you a lot more protection versus the standard carpeted mats that come with these models. They're very easy to remove, to clean much quicker, and they provide you with a laser fitment to provide you with a lot more coverage, and there's even a lip to keep less dirt from going up underneath. So it's really going to protect the interior of your car very nicely. I've really enjoyed the set that I have on my current vehicle. It is a huge difference over the factory floor mat. So especially if you're using your vehicle every single day, it's going to keep that interior nice and clean. So use that promo code down in the description below and get a set for your own vehicle. it.